If you're still analyzing stocks manually, you're already behind. There's an AI tool that can break down companies, read financials, and even explain trends in seconds. And most traders, they're not using it yet. Today, I'll show you how to use FinChat AI step by step to analyze stocks like a professional investor. Welcome to Coach FinChat AI channel, where you master your mind and master the market. If you're serious about trading smarter using AI, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs an edge. Let's get into it. What is FinChat? Fiscal.ai, formerly FinChat, is an AI-powered financial research assistant. Think of it like ChatGPT, but trained specifically on company financials, earnings reports, market data, investment insights. Instead of reading 100 pages of reports, you just ask questions. And it gives you structured, intelligent answers instantly. Step 1. Getting started. Go to FinChat's website now fiscal.ai and create an account. Once inside, you'll see a chat interface, just like ChatGPT. But here's the difference. You're not asking random questions, you're asking financial intelligence questions. Step 2. Analyzing a stock. Let's say you want to analyze Apple. Type, "Analyze Apple Inc. financial performance over the last 5 years." FinChat will break down revenue growth, profit margins, key metrics, trends. This replaces hours of manual research. Step 3. Ask smart questions. Most people fail here. They ask basic questions. Professionals ask strategic questions. Examples: what are the biggest risks facing Apple right now? Compare Apple versus Microsoft financial strength. Microsoft: is Apple overvalued based on current earnings? The quality of your prompts equals the quality of your results. Step 4. Compare companies. This is where FinChat becomes dangerous, in a good way. Ask, compare Apple and Microsoft on revenue growth, margins, and valuation. It gives you side-by-side analysis. Clear breakdowns. Investment insights. This is how smart money evaluates opportunities. Step 5. Use it for trade ideas. Now take it further. Ask, what stocks are undervalued in the tech sector? What companies have strong earnings momentum? You're no longer guessing, you're making data-backed decisions. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. AI tools like FinChat are powerful, but they are not perfect. Always combine AI insights with risk management, technical analysis, market structure understanding. If you want more AI tools that give you an unfair advantage in trading, subscribe now. Like this video and share it with a trader who is still stuck in manual analysis. Remember, master your mind, master the market. Quick test. If you really understand how to use FinChat, you should get these right. Drop your answers in the comments. Questions. What makes FinChat different from regular AI tools like ChatGPT? A. It uses social media data. B. It is trained on financial data. C. It predicts exact market prices. What type of question gives better results? A. Tell me about stocks. B. Analyze Tesla. C. Compare Tesla versus Ford based on margins and valuation. What should you always combine AI analysis with? A. Blind trust. B. Risk management. C. Guesswork. What is the biggest advantage of FinChat? A. It trades automatically. B. It replaces research time. C. It guarantees profits.